Hey guys, my name is Yana and I'm the voice of HelloClient. HelloClient is an easy and powerful platform engineered specifically for small and medium-sized repair shops, handling anything from bicycles to computers, washing machines to smartphones. It allows to automate service routines and manage orders effectively, so you can make more time to grow your business. Let's take a tour and see how HelloClient works. Tickets. Create and store all your tickets here. Payments. Find all the payments history here. Clients. This is your client's database. Settings. Let's take a closer look at the settings. Company settings. You can change company name, description, address, and contact number here. To invite a new member, go to Staff and Permissions category. Add name and email. HelloClient will send an invitation to this email. It's that easy. Also, you can set up permissions to this or that employee. Ticket statuses. Here, you can adjust predefined statuses like under repair, ready, issued, or pending, or create your own. To create a new status, add name and choose its color. List of services. To create a new service, just click plus, then add name and its price. It will be so easy to stitch the right service with the right order later on. We'll go deeper into details a little bit later. To create tickets quicker, make the most of lists. Lists consist of preset items you can choose from. For instance, list of device types, malfunctions, brands, and much more. Let's look how to create a troubleshooting ticket. You can choose the client from the client's database or create a new one. Now let's add device information. Add serial number, device brand and model, malfunction. Assign the order to technician, choose who is the manager, and what will be the deadline. HelloClient will offer you to print documents after your ticket creation is complete. Every ticket owns its unique number and status. You can edit all the information in the ticket. Hey, remember we learned how to work with the list of services something like a minute ago? Here is the place to apply this knowledge. Choose the necessary service from the list in a drop-down menu. You can also create a new service right from this tab. There is a timeline inside every ticket. Who created the ticket, when was it created, and its status. All the necessary information is highlighted. And you know what's even more convenient? Comments. You can leave comments right inside the timeline. Let's move on to checkout. Choose payment method. If necessary, you can leave a comment here. Then, press the checkout button. HelloClient will offer you to print documents after the checkout process is complete. To make your work with tickets even more convenient, you can create and save personal filters. You may say, okay, that's cool, but why do I need these personal filters? And I will answer you. Let's imagine you want to see how many, let's say, Mike's tickets are under repair now. Okay, choose filter options, status under repair, name it, save, ready, you see them. Next time you'll reach out to Mike's under repair tickets in a second. All the saved filters are available on top of the tickets. All transactions are stored in the payments category. All financial flows are here under your control. I mean income and expenses statement. You can also add or withdraw money here. Yes, right here. Now it's high time to show you the client database. You can view and edit all the information about the client in his or her profile. What's really cool is that all the history of the client is available in his or her profile. Also, you can add a new client here without creating a ticket. And last but not least, our team will be right here for you in the live chat. We'll be more than happy to hear from you all the questions, ideas, or suggestions you might have. Please don't hesitate to reach out to us via live chat or email us at info@helloclient.io. Have a super day!